object of mass 12 kilogram is at a certain height above the ground. If the potential energy of the object is 480 joule, find the height at which the object with respect to the ground. The given data is acceleration due to gravity g is equal to 10 meter per second square. So they are given what is that mass of the body is given. They are asked you that what is the height. Okay, then the potential energy is given. The potential energy formula is mgh. M is 12 gram, g is 10 meter per second square, h we don't know, but potential energy value is 480. So 480, 12, g value h. So we keep it h as it is. Bring the 120 in the denominator. We get 0, 0 get cancelled. So we get height is equal to 4 meter. So read the question carefully and find the given data and think of the formula which is applicable for this and then substitute that. So very simple physics problems are very simple only. Just to read the question once and twice. So mass is given, potential energy is given and g is given. So what is the height they are asking that. So whatever the things we want to find, that will be keep it as it is. Remaining terms will be comes to the left side. So the next problem. The two girls each of weight 400 Newton. So the weight of the girls is 400 Newton. It climb up a rope through a height of 8 meter. So both are climbing a rope of height 8 meter. The weight is 400 Newton. But the girl A takes 20 seconds only. Girl A takes 20 seconds only. Girl B takes 50 seconds. So find the power of the each girl. That is a question. So the power is equal to work done by time. So work is equal to force into displacement. Work is equal to force into displacement by time. So here the force is displacement is height. Here the force is the weight of the girl. So weight is m into g. That is given as a 400 Newton. So 400 instead of mg, that is a force. That force is a 400 Newton given in the question itself. That is the weight of the girl into 8 is a height and 20 is a time spent by the girl A. So it is 160 watt. So SI unit of power is watt. Then for girl B, the force, that is the weight is 400 Newton. Then the height is 8 meter. The time taken is 50 seconds. So time taken is 50 seconds. So we get an answer 64 watt. So power of the girl A is greater than power of the girl B. So power is equal to work done by time. We should know that. Then the work is equal to force displacement. That is we should know that. That force is represented in terms of weight of the girl mg. That is also given here. So that is a twist given in this question. Okay, so understand the question carefully and find the given data, think of the formula, substitute the given data in the formula, find the unknown values. A boy of mass 50 kg runs up a staircase of 45 steps in 9 seconds. If the height of the each step is 15 centimeter, find his power. The given data is g is equal to 10 meter per second square. That is acceleration due to gravity. So the given is the mass of the boy is 50 kg. He runs a 45 steps. Each step height is 15 centimeter. So what is the total height? The total height is 45 into 15 centimeter. So centimeter can be converted into meter into 10 power minus 2. So 45 into 15 into 10 power minus 2, we get 6.75 meter. So we get the height is equal to 6.75. The boy weight is mass into acceleration due to gravity. Mass is 50 kg. Acceleration due to gravity 10 meter per second. That is 500 Newton. So we get weight and the height. Then the time taken is 9 seconds already given in the question itself. So power is equal to work done by time. That is a mgh by t. Instead of mg is a weight 500 Newton. Height is a 6.75 and t is a 9 seconds. We get an answer 375 watt. So that is the SI unit of power. So simply direct question. Only you have to think about that. What is the total height? The total height is each step is 15 centimeter. You have to convert the centimeter into meter. So always we should solve the problem only in SI unit. Length SI unit is, that is the height SI unit is meter. So we have to convert the centimeter into meter. So that is given here. So only extra thing is formula we are find that, given data also we have taken that directly weight is not given. We have to find the weight. Directly height is not given. We have to find that. Then you have to find the power value. Then an electric bulb of a 60 watt power is used for 6 hours per day. What is the, calculate the units of energy consumed in 1 day of the bulb. So power is equal to, so commercial unit is 1 kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1 unit. So we have to convert the watts into kilowatt. So divided by 1000. So we get 0.06 kilowatt. Time is 6 hours. So energy is equal to power into time. Power is 0.06 kilowatt into time is 6 hours. So we get 0.36 kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to units. So energy is equal to 0.36 commercial units. So very simple students. 9th standard problems, physics problems are not at all tough one. Read the problem once and twice. Find the given data. Then think of the formula. Write the formula. Substitute the given data in the formula. If the given data is not in SI units, convert the given data into SI units. That's all. So you have to try the exercise problems on your own. I will give the exercise problem solutions in the Google Classroom. So copy all those exercise problems in your classwork note.